What if I told you that the fate of the universe once rested on the back of a boar? A being that transcended mere existence, transforming from a creature of the wild into a deity of cosmic power. This is the legend of Varaha, the divine boar, who rose from the depths of the ocean to rescue the earth itself. Welcome to Legends Reimagined, where we revive the greatest stories from history, mythology, and literature with the power of AI. Today, we journey through the extraordinary transformation of Varaha from beast to god. Long ago, during the reign of the demon king Hiranyaksha, chaos consumed the heavens and the earth. With unmatched strength and arrogance, Hiranyaksha waged war against the gods, defying the very balance of creation. In his madness, he seized the earth and cast it into the cosmic ocean, drowning it in the abyss of time and space. The gods, powerless to retrieve it, turned to Lord Vishnu, the preserver of the universe, for salvation. And so, in an act of divine intervention, Vishnu took on a new form, not of a warrior, not of a celestial being, but of a wild and untamed boar. This was Varaha, an avatar unlike any other, whose power and fury would shake the cosmos. From the depths of the heavens, Varaha roared as he descended, his body immense, his tusks gleaming like mountains of gold. With each step the universe trembled, for this was no ordinary boar. This was Vishnu himself embodying primal strength and divine will. He plunged into the cosmic ocean, diving deeper than any being had ever dared, searching for the lost earth. For eons he swam through the endless void, battling the forces of darkness that sought to keep the earth imprisoned. Finally, he found it, buried in the abyss, shrouded in shadows. With his mighty tusks, he lifted the earth onto his shoulders, his form glowing with celestial energy. But as he ascended, a new battle awaited him. Hiranyaksha, enraged at the defiance of the gods, stood between Varaha and the heavens. The demon king, whose very name struck fear into the hearts of the divine, challenged the boar god to combat. And so, an epic battle unfolded, a clash of cosmic proportions. The demon wielded his immense power, hurling mountains and storms, but Varaha remained unshaken. He fought with the raw force of nature itself, his tusks tearing through the darkness, his hooves shaking the foundations of existence. For 1,000 years the battle raged across the cosmos, but in the end, Varaha triumphed. With a single thrust of his tusks, he impaled Hiranyaksha, vanquishing the demon and restoring balance to the universe. As Varaha emerged from the depths, carrying the earth upon his shoulders, he was no longer just an avatar. He had become something greater. In his form, the wild and the divine merged into one. The gods looked upon him with awe, for he was the ultimate symbol of power, resilience, and salvation. With infinite grace, Varaha placed the earth back in its rightful place, setting it upon the cosmic axis. The waters receded, the skies cleared, and creation was restored. And in that moment, the transformation was complete. Varaha was no longer just a boar, nor just an avatar. He had become a deity of boundless strength, forever enshrined in the hearts of those who seek protection and guidance. Varaha's story is a testament to the power of transformation. He was born from necessity, shaped by chaos, and ascended to divinity through courage and sacrifice. His tale is not just a story of gods and demons. It is a reflection of our own struggles, our battles against darkness, and our potential for greatness. So the next time you find yourself lost in the depths of uncertainty, remember Varaha, the deity who rose from the abyss, who embraced his primal nature, and who became a savior of worlds. If you enjoyed this journey into the depths of mythology, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. And stay tuned, because our next legend will take us even further into the mysteries of transformation, destiny, and divine power. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep reimagining the legends of the past.